Hi guys, welcome back to Up Back Through Podcast. Namhlanje we're shooting an exciting episode. Sihleli nabadlali, i-players edition. So sifuna ukubabona outside of the field. Sikhulume nabo, sithole nje ukuthi bawobani, baphumaphi and bane-football knowledge engakanani. And there's a special prize ekhona, so stay tuned. So we're going to take you through inside now to show you production yethu. Chef, baba sibidayo, whether siyadla, asidli, you know, all of that, and just I'm up behind the scenes so that you get an idea of the effort that goes in kule podcast. Mengabe sifuna ukunikhombisa ukuthi yini kahle kahle esiyenzayo.